In the last video, I showed you how I created all my images for the Tim Ferriss contest in Midjourney. So now I'll take you through the next step of upscaling and working with these images. So I take all the images, I open these with Topaz Photo AI. And what you'll notice is this goes through a process where it enhances the resolution. For natural graphics or low resolution, these files come in pretty low resolution. So it takes those and upscales them. You can recover faces, you can sharpen. Sometimes sharpening is beneficial on these Midjourney images. Sometimes it's not. So I don't like to add work just to add work. You can see, I can see, you may not be able to. It does add a little more detail if I sharpen. So if I scroll across, you can see the beak is very pixelated here. And when I come back across, it's very sharp and detailed. So there's 19 total images. I have to do this for all 19. So I'm going to run through and do that here real quick. The last thing I like to do is upscale. In this case, I will just upscale to 4x. So in this guy in particular, you can really see how much detail comes out after the process. It's very pixelated, hard to see any detail. After the process, it's a lot more sharp and detailed. This one I'll need to look at a little different. It's more of a graphic than an image. But again, you can see it cleans up all the pixelated edges. Let's see if sharpen helps us here. Not necessarily. I'm not sure if you can see it, but when I sharpen, it adds kind of some funky stuff up in here. So it actually seems to take away as opposed to add to it. So I'm going to leave that one without sharpen. Moving on to this one. Yeah, this is good. 4x. This is good. Sharpen. 4x. Sharpen. 4x. Sharpen. Most of these, I just know that this is what's going to work. I've done this enough times. So quite a few of these to do. Can't imagine it's very exciting to watch, but Tim asked for it, so here it is. If you're wondering about this software, it's Topaz Photo AI. It's great for increasing the clarity and information in your images, whether that's photos or Midjourney prompts, whatever it is. It's excellent software for upscaling, sharpening, removing noise from an image. And with that, we are about through these 19. It's 4x, so I've made my adjustments on all 19 of these. Save images. You can see you can add additional information so you know. I'm gonna make these easier to find. And I only did 4x on here, so I will 4x after. It's all saving to the right place, JPEG, save. And now it will process and save each image. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, and I will do another video on how I edit these, so you can see that process.